Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. Good morning everyone, how you all going? We've got a really big box inside to open and unbox, and just a reminder, let me show me head here. This video is a sponsored video and it's sponsored by ALLPOWER. They now have an Australian website. The sale is still on till the 30th, and of course I've got that 10% discount code which will all be pinned in the comments section, so it's always at the top. And Ziggy's going to be helping out with the camera work as usual. And I appreciate every time she helps me. Oh. Alright. This is really well packed. Okay, the post office had this weighed in at 19.5 kilos. Alright, so we have a little baggie. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Okay, we have the warranty and probably the instruction manual and everything in here. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Wow. Wow. Look. Come and look in there. This is incredibly well packed, people. Incredibly well packed. Alright. Marvellous. Oh. Thanks, dear. Wow. Alright, so we've unboxed it, plugged it in, got it charged up. I wrote down the relevant information from the book. So let's have a look how it all works. Okay, we'll start off with the back. On the back is just the relevant information. On this side, which is the right hand side if you're looking at the unit, there's a little door there, and you can plug in 2 extra batteries, which is totally amazing. That actually turns this into something really, really good if you need a lot of power. If you want to use it for an ups in a blackout to run your fridge, and you can put a couple of extra batteries on it, then you've got a couple of days of power just for your fridge. If you plug your phone system and your internet system into it as well, then you've got internet and everything else while the power's out. That is just awesome. Let's go to the left hand side as we're looking at the unit. On the left hand side we have the AC plug, we have a circuit breaker overload protection, and then we have a solar input circuit. Let me get out of the light so you can see it properly. There you go. Now if we go to the front of the unit, like I say, we've just fully charged it. Now the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi you turn on by pushing this button and holding it for 3 seconds. If you just want the DC on, then you just push it. If you want the AC on, then you just push it. Okay. Relevant information. The battery is 1152 watt hour. The AC output 1800 watts with a 3000 watt surge. The weight of the unit is 16.7 kilograms. Okay. Alright, now on the front of the unit you have two USB-C 100 watt plugs. Then you have two USB-A 16 watt plugs. Okay. And up on the top of the unit you have two 15 watt wireless chargers. 1, 2. I mean they've actually thought of everything with this unit. And under here you have 4 Australian 10 amp 3-pin outlets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have a socket outlet, top, bottom. A 12 volt socket outlet, used to be referred to as a cigarette lighter outlet. That's about it for the front of the unit. Okay, so that's a look at the unit. Now let's have a look at the app. So as you can see here, this is the app. We've set up the Bluetooth. There we go. Now if I wish to turn the AC on, let's try and get this all in the camera. Watch the little lights here. If I turn the AC on, then the inverter turns on. If I turn the DC on, then the DC power comes on. You can see the little lights there. We'll turn the DC off. Now we'll turn the AC off. Okay, let's get out of this one. That was the online function. Just do it again. AC on. Okay, simple as that. So you can, because it connects to the internet, you can, and you have to register online, you can talk to the inverter no matter where you are. So if you're out shopping away from the campsite and you want to see how your power's going, you can check that. Alright, here we are at the ALLPOWERS site. This is the particular unit we've been looking at in the previous video. Now remember, I do have a 10% discount code that's relevant for all items on this site, not just this one item, for all items on this site. So you can really save a few dollars here, and all items are currently on special. Alright, now you can see up here local, shipping, fast, free shipping to Australia. Now these items are in an Australian warehouse. This is an Australian website that I'm currently on. And we'll just scroll down and have a look at the units. You can see here the delivery time varies. Australia's a big place, okay? So bear in mind that delivery times do vary on where you live. I mean, if you live at the Black Stump, well, yeah, it's going to take a long time to get to you. There's the warranty and the returns. Of course, that is pertinent to Australian regulations as stated under the ACCC. So, yeah. Okay. Featured specifications. I'm just going to stroll through this, okay? Please feel free to pause. If I have to explain everything on this page, it's going to make this video so long, you're all going to be bored and just not watch it. Alright, I'll point out anything that's pertinent to the video, like here, the expandability of it, the Wi-Fi Bluetooth you've already seen, there's the certifications, the size and the weight in pounds. I give you the weight, yeah, 16.7 kilograms and pounds. And the dimensions, there's a little video. Then you can see all that there. Just pause it. There's the capacity and the AC power. Alright, there's a bit of a time scale. Of course, this would vary on the different types of fridges, especially air conditioners, but you know, but this is just a rough guide, people. When the power's out, you've instantly got backup power. Alright, some nice little pictures there. Smart Wi-Fi Bluetooth control function, and yes it is, we've already tested and looked at that. There's the app on a telephone. I showed it to you on an iPad. Same app, same thing. Ups function, never run out of power again. Alright, this is the function that will interest a lot of yous, because you can actually use it as an ups. And when the power goes out, hey, you've got power, even if it's only out for an hour. I mean, you know, you can power your internet or your phone, recharge your devices. I mean, it's just, yeah, just totally awesome. Alright, as you can see, it's got cylindrical cell LiFeP04 batteries, very safe. Okay, which is LiFeP04 is the same as LFP. They're an extremely safe battery, 3,500 cycles. This unit, that's why they put a 5-year warranty on it. This unit's built to last a long time. All right, and of course they show what sort of things you can do with it there. And then they've got the different types down here, different ratings, all that sort of stuff. Bigger, smaller. I mean, it's just an awesome bit of kit, people. It is. It's not overpriced. I don't consider it overpriced. It's got an inverter, a charger. It's got everything in it. For an ups, I mean, yeah, I mean, this is just brilliant. Even if you only use it for an ups, this is brilliant. But the fact that you can just take it camping as well, I mean, this is really a nice piece of kit, okay? Really a nice piece of kit. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, by all means, thumbs it down.